Hi Planty people, it's week 4 of the Orange County Fair. We're here at the fruit and vegetable competition to see if what we grew at Integrity House won any ribbons. This week we entered our large tomato, and then I entered my large cucumber, the specimen cucumbers, eggplant, most unusual cucumber, most unusual tomato, my tomatillos, and some of my sunflowers. So it's exciting to see if we got any ribbons. But like I say, it's all in fun, but it's always fun to win a ribbon, right? Okay, so we're gonna go through the pavilion and we're gonna look for our veggies, and wish us luck. We'll keep you posted. Hang on. All right, here we go, guys. Let's see what we won. Let's see. Oh my God, that's a big onion. So these are the largest categories. We got first place for our tomato, you guys. We got first place for our tomato. That is so exciting. Look at that bad boy.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh. Who got second? Second. And Teresa Din got third. So exciting. Some beautiful specimens. Oh my God, that is so amazing. Let's see. Oh my God, look at that giant pepper. That is huge. Let's see. This is most unusual. Oh, look at that creepy looking carrot. Oh, Sarah, you got second for your eggplant. Oh my gosh, who got first? I want to know who got first. She got first for most unusual eggplant. I knew that was going to win, Sarah. Let's see. Let's see. I have a most unusual tomato. No ribbon, but it's okay. She's still pretty big. Ooh, that one was creepy. That one won first place. Look at that one too. There's some freaks here. Oh look! I got first for most unusual cucumber. Ah, that's exciting. So cool. That was second place there. I don't see a third. Let's see, what do we got over here? I think these are the any categories, but so cool. Ooh, look at that gourd. Okay, biggest cucumber. Oh my gosh! I got first place and a division win. Holy cow. That is so flipping cool. For my giant cucumber. Really awesome. There was third place. Oh my God, that is so exciting. Division win! That's amazing! Ah! Okay, these are some cherry tomatoes. We didn't enter any of these this week, but they're still really pretty. I didn't enter in any specimen tomatoes. Let's see what we got. I did not enter in any pomegranates this week, but those ones took first place. Look at the pretty pumpkins. So cool. Some melons. Ooh, that's a beautiful melon right there. Let's see. My cucumbers didn't win. I know they were a little overripe, but it's okay. They took second. Those took first. Who got third? Sometimes I don't know. I don't see all of them. Mines were pretty big, but they were really overripe, but they were pretty big.
Here's your eggplant.
Eggplant did not place, but it's okay. Colin took second. Who got first for eggplant? Sarah, congrats, good job. Mine was a little overripe right there, but it's okay. Yes. Some of the awesome stuff. Ooh, look at some of the pretty stuff. Ooh, that's a pretty squash. Let's see. Stop! Lupe! I got best of show for my tomatillos.
You got
Best of show. So I won a division win for these, and I got best of show.
That's so cool.
Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. I am so proud. Oh my gosh. Those are third, those are second. Sarah and Kelly, some of my friends. Beautiful stuff too. Oh my God, I'm just like, I'm so happy. I haven't won best of show in I think a few years.
Really?
So that's pretty flippin' cool. I am on cloud 9 right now. sunflowers do.
Hey, my perfect patrol way.
Oh, I got third. I got third for that big sunflower.
My perfect patrol way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't have to be quiet here. I don't know why we're quiet in here. Just because it is quiet. But it's okay.
My perfect patrol way.
Yeah?
Hmm?
So pretty.
Yeah. Hmm?
Baltazar didn't place, but that was a pretty one. Yay! I got third for my sunflower. So cool. So pretty. I want to coolest. Okay. Look at all the pretty roses. Can you find the fake flower? It's hard, huh? So pretty. Look at the pretty hibiscus. Or these are the plumerias. Hibiscus plumerias. So pretty. So pretty. All right, you having fun, dude?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's get some grub. Hi, Plenty people. How cool was that? I got best of show for my tomatillos. That was so exciting. And division win and first place for my largest cucumber. And division win for the cucumber. First place for most unusual cucumber. And we got first place for our giant tomato at Integrity House. That is so exciting. I am just so proud. Oh, and third place for my large sunflower. I think that was it. I always forget something. But I am so proud of all the work we're doing there at Integrity House. We worked so hard for that big tomato. We started it from seed. So that is really exciting. We got a first place win. I'm so proud of them. But I haven't had division win in quite a few years. The last time I got a division win was for my Cubanelle peppers that I grew from seed. So it's been a minute and I am just on cloud nine. So thank you everybody. There's 1 week left of the Orange County Fair, so stick with us. Not sure what we're gonna enter next week, but we do have some stuff to enter. I have some stuff to enter and it's super, super exciting. So thank you everybody that's been watching and tuning in. You're all so amazing and get out and grow something. It's a beautiful day.